Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to rewrite this one. So we have the formula in here. So this one that is about x to the power of b over 8. We know that the square root that is about number 2. So in this one, we can distribute like this. Because we have one square root and then we have another square root. So this one we have 2 square roots. And the last one we have 3 square root. So we apply the formula from this one and you got x to the power of 7 over number 8. This one that is about x to the power of 1 over 2. This one we have 2 square root. That means 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. And you got 1 over number 4. And this one that is about x to the power of 1 over 8. And now we have the second formula in here. So in this one we can put like this. So we calculate this one and that is about 7 over 8. Now we simplify and you got about x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.